Pinterest. How to delete pins on Pinterest in bulk, or few, or 10, or how you want pinned for one time. Hi guys, with you Svitlana Prokhorivska, YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. And for example, open bots that you need to delete pins on this bot. Click on this bot, open this bot. My example, I have all bot about dates. After that, click on Organize. It's the same on mobile, it's the same on laptop. Click Organize. After that, click on one pin. Click on one pin, select and reorder. Click on one pin and after that find pin that you want to delete. And after that, look here guys, delete is not active. But our example, we want to delete some pins with you. For example, I want to delete this pin, and for example, this pin. I choose 3 pins. After that, look here, delete is active. Click on delete. After that, delete these pins. Are you sure you want permanently delete these pins? Yes. Click on delete. Perfect. These pins are deleted. Guys, if you click on the wrong pin, for example, click on this, and you don't want to delete this pin, click the select all. Click the select all, and after that, find pins that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this pin. I want to delete this maybe, or another pin. For example, this. I want to delete these 2 pins. Click delete. After that, click on delete. That's all, guys. Pins are deleted. If you have any question about this, write under my video. Guys, if you need help with Pinterest, download my book How to Use Pinterest for Business. It's about Pinterest SEO, how to use Pinterest due to keywords and sell more your products. With you Svitlana Prokhorivska, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys!